All right, y'all can see what we're dealing with for tomorrow and Monday's job. I'll get back out in the street and shoot the whole scenario. Okay, here's the redwood on the left, and we'll run a tight line from the redwood over the top of the cedar into this Douglas fir that is right there. There's the top of the redwood, and we're going to shoot a throw line from this Douglas fir. We'll be in the fir and then shoot into the redwood, or the other way around, don't know yet. So tie that tight line off with a pulley in it and run it right over the top of the cedar. It'll be off to the side a little bit, and then descend off that, come over what the rock climbers call a Tyrolean traverse onto above the top of the cedar, set your lifeline down, toss it down, rappel down to the base of the tree, and start working. And there it is. And there's the piece on the ground, the largest piece that the lightning blew out. Alright, there's the scenario from back in the distance there. The cedar is the one dead center in the middle right there. Fir on the right that we'll tie into, and redwood on the left. It's going to be fun.